On November 2nd of 2020 at 8:11 a.m. Central Standard Time Zone, YouTube creators have congratulated me with 100 subscribers. But even though my channel has 99 subscribers, we're gonna go ahead and make a special video for you guys, so enjoy. Butterball, I see that you are hungry.
Yes, I'm hungry. What to do ya?
Oh, no, Butterball. Let's see. If you want to eat, you are gonna have to go through a series of tasks.
Why am I gonna do a series of tasks? All I'm gonna do is just meow when I'm being fed.
Oh no, Butterball. But if you do these series of tasks, I heard that the meal that you are provided is very special. It is very legendary. It is very tasty. Not only those who achieve it, who go through a series of tasks that requires a lot of stuffs, may obtain it.
Go on.
Well, Butterball, it's not an easy journey. For you, will have to train yourself to fight.
To fight? What do I have to fight?
A bird.
Oh, bird. Seems easy.
Oh, but it's not just an ordinary bird. It's a bird attached to a string, controlled by someone.
What? That's not fair. I would just give up eating normal food.
Oh no, Butterball. You shouldn't have given up. You should never give up. That easy if you give up, you will not get the special meal.
What's so special with this special meal anyways?
You will find out on our first training tomorrow.
What? Was this already?
Come with me, Butterball.
No! I get free competition. No!
Alright, Butterball.
Are you gonna tell me what's special about it now?
Well, this is what is special about it. It contains all of your favorite foods that you can imagine of.
Well, that sounds tasty right now. What do I have to do?
You must first work on your defenses. So let's get to it. Come on, Butterball. Use those paws. Lift them up in the air. Good, Butterball. Good. Now keep the momentum going. Balance yourselves within your paws. Keep them standing up. And fight while you're in the air. Ah! Oh, then. Good way to put it down. Sense it. It's coming. Just wait there. What are you going to do about it? You see, Butterball, the longer you take to attack, the quicker this thing will come closer. Now, jump attack. No. Alright, well, you need to keep working on that, alright? Keep working on that. Do it without my guidance. Yes. Damn it, Butterball, come on. Keep practicing. Use your senses. Good, Butterball. Good, Butterball. Alright, Butterball, you gotta get ready for these fast attacks. Gotta get ready for these fast attacks, alright? Let's go. Wah. 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 Good job, Butterball. What? You ready already?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay.
I will go obtain that special food. Yeah. Scratch. Now, I go my way.
Be careful, Butterball. And so, Butterball has made a quest far down towards the arena where she is met by the bird. She has overcome many obstacles to get to this point where she must face the bird. Wahahahaha. Do you really think you can stop me?
Oh, yes, I think I do.
You fool! You think you have what it takes, but all the other cats who has been through me has failed. As you can see, for you self-called Butterball, you have no match against me, and you shall not pass that meal you want. So come and get me. Wah! Oh, oh, oh. I am wounded, but how can that be?
That's because you suck. Yeah.
Ah! Oh, no, no, ah, ah, ah. You're lucky. When I met you, the trap wasn't activated.
Yay. I learned my ways. And it's all thanks to the sensei. Oh, where are you going for help now? I thought you were a master.
Yeah, it's just that.
Now, what lame excuse?
I was flying.
I won. You lost.
You fool! That is not how you win. In order to attain it, you must pull me out. And that will not happen. Special move. Yeah. In your face. Oh no. My special move.
I admire special move. Whoa! Could it be? Is this it? Kill it.
Indeed, it is I, the sensei. And I have obtained the special food for you.
Ooh, so what is it?
As you can see, you have already attained it from me.
What do you mean?
As you can see, Butterball, you yourself have improved to become a master. You are the legendary warrior cat. You started out from just being a simple cat to a fighter. A cat that will deliver justice to this world. You have proven yourself to become even smarter than the entire United States. You have such great gifts and power, and I wanted you to unlock that. But it cannot be done with your own master, me.
Get to the point, I want my food.
The food is from a bird.
What?
The bird is the one that contained every cat's dream meal, all your favorites, and every goodness that is within it. So enjoy, Butterball. And we shall meet again soon in another video.
Chomp, 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 munch, munch, munch.
And so we meet again.
Wait a minute. But then... Oh well. Come with me, food. But wait a minute. Was he? Who was the man behind it? Could he be the man behind it? My own sensei? Oh well, just give me my food.
Hey guys, Kevin1337 here. So that is the end of the special video that we have for you. And yeah, I really want to congratulate all of you guys for who have supported this channel, for watching my videos, for subscribing, for doing everything you can to help me with this channel. And I know it took a long time to get here, and a lot of time, a lot of patience, a lot of work. It's not really easy being a YouTuber, and especially when you're a big YouTuber, you know, it's hard. But still, I really want to thank you guys so much for all your support. And that's it. That's it. That's all we have for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.